Hey, what is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of your Fire Stick running slow, constantly buffering, or just lacking the right tools to organize your media? Today, I'm showing you an absolute game changer of an app, Onstream. This thing is incredibly fast. The interface is absolutely flawless, and it is going to completely revolutionize how you use your Fire TV or Android TV box. Grab your remotes, follow along with me step by step, and let's unlock the true potential of your device right now. If you want to be the first to get these under-the-radar hardware optimization tricks, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Let's get straight into it. First things first, we need to bypass the basic restrictions on your device. You're going to need an app called Downloader. It is super simple to get, completely free, and right inside the official Amazon App Store. Just head over to the search bar on your home screen, type in Downloader, and when you see that familiar orange icon pop up, go ahead and click Download and Install. Once that's downloaded, do not open it just yet. We need to make a crucial tweak to the system settings. Head over to the gear icon on your Fire Stick home screen for your settings, scroll to the right, and open up My Fire TV. Right here, you're looking for Developer Options. If you're on a newer device with the latest update and you don't see it, don't panic, Amazon just hid it. All you need to do is click on About, highlight the name of your Fire TV stick, grab your remote, and click the center select button fast, about 7 times in a row. Keep clicking until you see a little message at the bottom saying, "No need, you are already a developer." Now, hit the back button on your remote just once, and boom, Developer Options is right there. Open it up, turn on ADB debugging first, and then click into Install Unknown Apps. Find that downloader app we just got, and turn it to On. This step is absolutely critical. It gives us the keys to safely install advanced third-party utility tools. Before we sideload anything, we need to have a quick talk about security. When you use third-party media tools, your internet service provider, ISP, is watching, and they will throttle your speeds, causing endless buffering. You have to protect yourself. I highly recommend running a premium VPN to stay completely anonymous. Today, I've got a special hookup exclusively for subscribers of this channel, a free 1-month premium VPN trial experience. To claim your trial, just click the link down in the pinned comment, send the keyword VPN, and my support team will get you fully set up. Let's keep moving. Now, open up that downloader app. Click into the URL box and type in exactly this, Onstream. So, make sure it looks exactly like you see on the screen. Hit go. It's going to download the file incredibly fast. Hit install, and once it's done, click Done. Do not open it yet. Always remember to delete the installation file right after to save that precious storage space on your Fire Stick. Hit the Home button, head over to your apps list, and there it is. Onstream is ready to go. Remember to always keep your VPN running in the background for the best performance and privacy. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and drop a comment down below, even if it's just to say hi, and let me know where in the world you're watching from. Also, if you are looking for an ultra-stable, premium streaming solution for the upcoming sports seasons, I have a dedicated technical support team ready to help. Check the pinned comment to grab a test pass. We'll help you get everything configured perfectly. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with a friend who needs to upgrade their Fire Stick. Thanks for all the support, guys, and I will see you in the next one.